Hi guys, Ellie here. So today we have a Bird scooter, Bird Flex scooter. Okay, so right now we're gonna be testing it out. So over here it has a LED screen, and here are all the controls. Let's take this off. Okay, if you guys can see, you see that H, that means the mode. That means it can go 18 miles an hour. E mode is like emergency mode, which goes 3 miles an hour and flashes its LED light right here. This bar over here shows the battery percentage. Comes with this ring, pretty loud. This brake. Here's the go pedal. So let's put on high mode, which goes 18 miles an hour. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon. Bye.